Welcome to our channel Top Things. We create videos on best places to visit in the world. Please subscribe to our channel and watch till the end to know everything about the place before you plan your travel. In this video we will know more about the picturesque place that enjoys tourism, and also known for its modern travel options, called as Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital and most populous city of the Netherlands. It was found within the province of North Holland and referred to as the Venice of the North. Amsterdam is attributed by the large number of canals, which form a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city of Amsterdam became one of the most important ports in the world during the Dutch Golden Age of the 17th century. It is well known for its historic canals, the Rijksmuseum, the Van Gogh Museum, the Anne Frank House, the Astronomical Clock, the Royal Palace of Amsterdam, the Red Light District, and many coffee shops. Few best attractions in Amsterdam, rounds with plenty of stunning views to make your trip most exciting. Number 1. Cruise canals. Amsterdam is known for many canals. The city center is practically a network of canals, along which one can find Amsterdam's monumental canal houses. Besides providing a stunning backdrop to the city's historic center, Amsterdam's canals offer you the most memorable ways to discover the city. Number 2. Anne Frank House. Anne Frank House is a writer's house and biographical museum dedicated to Jewish wartime diarist Anne Frank. It takes about an hour to complete a loop of the house. No matter how much you think you know about Anne Frank's story, you'll come away from the house realizing it wasn't very much at all. Waiting times are often lengthy, so visiting early in the morning or book online in advance to beat the queues are the best options. Number 3. Vondelpark. The Vondelpark is a public urban park of 120 acres in Amsterdam. It is the largest city park and most famous park in the Netherlands. This park welcomes of about 10 million visitors every year. Vondelpark was opened in 1865 and originally named Nieuwe Park. It was later renamed as Vondelpark after the playwright and poet Joost van den Vondel of 17th century. Number 4. Bicycles. Amsterdam is routinely rated as the world's second most bike-friendly city, next to Copenhagen. There are around 515 kilometers of dedicated cycle lanes in Amsterdam. Netherlands has a population of 17.1 million people, and about a quarter of those cycle every day. One can notice more bikes than people in the city. It is common in Dutch cities. Amsterdam has a wide net of traffic-calm streets and world-class facilities for cyclists. Number 5. Rijksmuseum. The Rijksmuseum is a Dutch national museum dedicated to arts and history in Amsterdam. This vast collection contains many masterpieces, created by preeminent historical figures, and includes work by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and Van Gogh. The Rijksmuseum was founded in The Hague in 1798, and moved to Amsterdam in 1808, where it was first located in the Royal Palace, and later in the Trippenhuis. Number 6. Coffee shops. The Dutch capital is home to more than 160 coffee shops. People from Netherlands consume more coffee per day than almost any other country. A place selling coffee is called a koffiehuis, which means coffee house or a café. No coffee in Amsterdam is complete with a slice of appel gebak, called as the traditional Dutch apple pie. Most important thing when you are in Amsterdam is to get Amsterdam card. The Amsterdam City card offers you a unique way to explore Amsterdam. You get access to all major highlights and more than 70 museums, citywide public transport, a canal cruise, and bicycle rent. Major benefits are you can save money and get exclusive discounts at restaurants and concerts. More precisely, you don't have to queue for tickets at any of them, and the card gives you free use of all public transport too. The official language of the Netherlands is Dutch, although the majority of the residents speak English too. Like many countries in the European Union, the Netherlands uses the euro. The single currency is great if you are also traveling to neighboring countries on your trip. Both cash and card are widely accepted here. To reach Amsterdam, one can fly to Schiphol International Airport, which is the largest and the busiest airport in Amsterdam. This airport is located 11 kilometers away from the main city center. Rail connectivity of Amsterdam from other European cities is also excellent. Coming to the bus travel, there are a lot of bus services from nearby cities such as The Hague and Eindhoven. The best time to visit Amsterdam is during the month of April to mid-June and September to November. In this season, you will feel very less crowds, and the accommodation also is not much expensive. Planning your trip to Amsterdam for minimum of 2 to 3 days is a good idea in order to visit as many places as possible and can make your trip more memorable. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe for more videos.